So my role is I'm a member of the TOC, of the Technical Oversight Committee for the CNCF. And that role, that group of people, we work together to define the technical direction for the CNCF as a project in general, right? So on the day-to-day, this looks like being able to evaluate projects and understand whether those projects are viable, whether if we should accept them into the CNCF in perhaps like the sandbox kind of tier of projects that we have within the CNCF. And then when we start making those evaluations, we try and determine like, is this a good fit for the cloud native community? Is this, does this project have like, contributors from multiple sources? Like where in the life cycle of this project is it in a place where it's like starting to kind of like build an audience? Does it already have an audience? Like those sorts of things. And then it's also kind of an ongoing effort, right? So like once a project is in sandbox, what is it that motivates that project to move into incubation or even toward graduation, right? And that's a pretty interesting set of challenges because like every project is different, and the requirements for going from sandbox to incubation to graduation are also different. Like, to get to incubation, you need to have like a security review. There's a bunch of other things that are involved. And in my time in the TOC, I spent a good bit of work kind of working on the graduating projects proposal, which actually really helped kind of consolidate not only the documentation around all of that, but also kind of our thinking in like what is necessary for a project to move between these phases.